when a pair or group of particles is produced or interact in such a way that quantum state of each particle of the pair or group cannot be described independently. Entanglement of particle describes a relationship between fundamental properties. Means knowing the measurement like momentum, position, spin and polarization of one particle, we can predict the measurement of the other particle. Let's take an example. Suppose if we have two balls, one blue and one red, and if we keep them in two boxes and shuffle the boxes, after shuffling we don't know which box contains which colored ball. So let's take out a ball from one box and suppose it comes out to be blue. Now knowing that this one is blue, without seeing the other box we can say that it contains a red ball. This thing is same as quantum entanglement, that knowing about one state we can predict the others. Let's see the same kind of thing in the quantum world. If we have entangled pair of particles such that their total spin is known to be 0, which means these two particles have spin in opposite direction, say z and minus z axis. And when we measure spin of one particle, we can predict the spin of other particle at the same instant. While predicting, it doesn't matter that what is the distance between the two particles. Sounds weird? Think if we separate these two particles by few light years and these two particles are entangled. Now before measurement we can't say which one is spin up and which one is spin down. And also both particles cannot have same spin. As these two particles are entangled, by measuring the spin of one particle we can predict the spin of other particle. We can say that these two particles are sharing information faster than the speed of light, which violates the Einstein's special theory of relativity, which says nothing can travel faster than light. So how these two particles are communicating? This theoretical violation is termed as EPR paradox. Here, EPR stands for Einstein, Podolsky, and Rosen. They argued that the description of physical reality provided by quantum mechanics was incomplete, and they come up with hidden variable theory, which says that two particles doesn't communicate. They have some hidden variables, or you can say knowledge, right from the moment these particles are separated out. These hidden variables decide what outcomes are going to be when measured. In 1964, Bell came up with complex experiment to check if EPR were correct or wrong. If they were right, then quantum mechanics is wrong. On doing experiment, he found that EPR were wrong and quantum mechanics is correct in this sense. This means that particles are communicating faster than the speed of light. Does this mean that we can use this technique to communicate faster than light?